I'm Mark. I'm one of the co-founders and the CEO of Qwilr. We're a way for sales teams to create their perfect proposals as quickly as possible, then help them get it accepted as quickly as possible. We serve a global market, so we've got about 5,000 companies as customers all around the world, but we have a totally distributed team. You need to have a centralized hub that is easily searchable. Everything lives in there. We've been using Notion for a long time. We were sort of there in Notion 1.0 back in sort of like 2019 days. It started being used by design team, but it quickly spread throughout marketing and then sort of into all parts of the org. We kind of have a view that if it's not in Notion, it doesn't exist. Notion is the core hub where everything is linked to and discoverable and just makes it that one place that if you've got a question, you can go there first. Often I will create a Notion page, record a loom of the Notion page and share that in Slack with a link to it. And that sort of, those tools are the foundational part of how our team is able to do the knowledge work that's required to sort of be an excellent united team and always have the right answers at their fingertips. The commenting function in Notion, I think there's just so much discussion that can be done, like a collaborative, like editing of a document, of working on something together. When you have, again, people who offer it in like, 3 or 4 different time zones, it's just a very easy, clean system for getting an idea from relatively early stage into being like really tight. It just sort of gives this like collaborative shared space that then once it's done and you can tidy up all the comments and delete various things and all that sort of stuff there, you can very quickly get to this like finished product that is like high quality. You've collaborated with team all around the world. It's so seamless and easy, and it's a thing that 5, 6 years ago just didn't exist. I would say there is just no risk in giving Notion a serious try and trying to move across there. It is by far the best-in-class tool for this, but it's also a company that you can just tell that they take the craft of making product incredibly seriously. So it was done with care, it was done with thought, and it's just, honestly, it's a joy to use.